Hey lovelies, so in case you don't know, one of the criteria for receiving your airdrop tokens for Grand Kombat is that you must verify your wallet. That is your Tonkeeper wallet, you must verify it. So it is one of their criteria. It is like a major criteria. That is, if you've not verified your wallet with 0.2 ton, it means that you're not going to get your tokens. So from my Telegram channel, I'm going to choose one most active Telegram subscriber who I'm also going to gift 0.2 ton to do this particular tax. Yes, one of my most active subscribers on Telegram who is playing Grand Kombat is going to be winning 0.2 ton to do this particular tax. Yeah, so if you're not on my Telegram channel, I think this should encourage you to join, because a lot of giveaways will be coming in from time to time and it will be impromptu. Yes, and so mostly go to my most active subscribers, and we usually have weekly spotlight for active subscribers on the channel. So yeah. So if you're new to my vlog channel, my name is Susan, and this is where I share everything crypto trading, airdrop updates. I also earn money on the side as a 9-to-5 worker, or as a sit-at-home person, or as someone who just wants to increase his or her source of income. And also I share my no-fail commercial business recipes on cakes, small chops, pastry chefs, and pastries, snacks, and the likes. As you all know, I'm also a pastry chef and a baker. So let's dive right into today's video. So I want to do my Grand Kombat Ton Transaction for verification of my wallet and to be able to get my airdrop tokens. Now this is their major criteria. So if you have been playing Grand Kombat, if you have been mining or farming Grand Kombat, and you did not make this ton transaction, sorry, you're not going to be getting your airdrop tokens. Yeah. So yeah, it says verify your wallet. I'm just going to click here. You must have connected your wallet. So once I click on this verify your wallet, it says make a ton transaction. Make a ton transaction. 0.2 ton. And then once you've made that transaction, you click on this check transaction here. So I'm going to now first of all click on this part that says make a ton transaction here. I'll click on it, and once I click on it this way, it's going to load my it's going to load my Tonkeeper directly because it's connected. And then I'm going to kind of slide to confirm. So I'm just going to slide like this, and I'll input my fingerprint, biometric for verification, and it's done. Yes, I've made my 0.2 ton transaction for Grand Kombat. And so your transaction sent. Your transaction will be processed in a few seconds. So let me just wait for it to be processed. And then you see, I'll get back to the video. So ladies and gents, you can see it here. It says your wallet has been successfully verified. So concludes. So this is just how simple it is for you to pay your ton transaction on Grand Kombat. So like I said, one of my most active subscribers on my Telegram channel is going to be getting, who is mining or farming Grand Kombat, is going to be getting 0.2 ton for this transaction. Yes, this has been saying thank you so much for your support, and I really appreciate it. So now another thing I want to show you guys is, always remember to, apart from the daily combo, when you want to play the daily combo, you click here to get your daily combo. I usually share daily combos like tax solution for airdrop project every day. So I've not done the one for today. If I've done it, you'll have seen it here. I've shared it on my Telegram platform, so you can go check that out. So once you've done your daily combo, you come back to the home page like this, and you make sure you click on this daily quest, daily chest. Make sure you click on it and go and open daily this chest. They usually bring 2 or 1 chest. So once I click on open box, I'm going to just click on claim, and then That's that for Grand Kombat. So make sure you always do your daily tasks, do your daily combo, open your daily chest, and do your tapping. It is as simple as that. So that's all for me for today. Make sure you stay subscribed to the YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, join my Telegram channel, and see you in another recent update. Bye for now.